So we've got a mutton curry here. It's cooked in some dried whole chilies that we're going to make into a beautiful paste with yogurt, whatever you say, or curd. It really, really is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take 10 dried red chilies and just put them into some warm water. We're going to leave them there for about 10 minutes. So they've been in there about 10 minutes. We're just trying to soften them up, 10-15 minutes like that. Teaspoon of cumin seeds, piece of cinnamon stick, couple of bay leaves, 4 cloves, 2 black and 4 green cardamom pods. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to make a little paste out of this. So I've got a little pan here. I'm going to drop that water in. It's about a cup of water, by the way. We're going to add the cardamoms, the cinnamon and the cumin seeds, the bay and the cloves. So just bring that to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn it off. Okay, just reached boiling point, off it goes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get this into a spice grinder or a coffee grinder, and we're going to turn that into a paste. Okay, so you can see that we've got a nice paste there now. That's very, very fiery. So let's take a look at the next step. What we have here is 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds of goat meat, goat mutton. Now, if you don't want to use goat, you can use lamb. There's a few bones in there, a little bit of fat. That's kind of what we want. There's our beautiful fiery paste that we just made. Here we've got half a cup of what I say is yogurt. Some of you call it yogurt, some of you call it curd. No matter what you call it, what is important is that you whisk it. You need to whisk it up and get it nice and smooth, get any lumps out of it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and here is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. For this next step, we're only going to use half of that. So we've got a large mixing bowl there. I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in with my hand. You can do it with a spoon if you want. What we're going to do is first add half of our ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander and cumin. We're now going to add in our beautiful red chili spiced paste. We're going to add in half a cup of curd, yogurt, whatever you call it. And then we're going to go in and give that a mix. Like I say, you can do this with a spoon if you want. I just like to get in with my hands. Nice little mix. Now, ideally, you want to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours at least. Overnight would be fantastic. We've nearly done it actually. There's not a lot more to do. So in this pan, I'm melting 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee's pretty essential for this dish. Here I've got 2 cups of onions that are finely chopped, cut nice and small. And we want to go for 5 or 6 minutes on a medium heat. Quite important to cook these and get them slightly brown. Beautiful. We're now going to add the other half of that ginger garlic paste. So 1 tablespoon went into the meat mixture and 1 goes in here. We're going to add salt. We're going to give that a little mix. And then we're going to grab our meat mixture here, drop that in. Let's try and get as much of the masala out of the pan as we can. And we're going to go stirring away here for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add some water, like 1 cup of water. Now with this type of curry, you can have it really thin or thick, it's up to you. So we're going to leave it on this, you know, medium, or just above medium actually we're on, for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and make it really low, like a real simmer. So yeah, just for 5 minutes, let it do its thing. Then I'm back. Okay, so it's just bubbling up really nicely. We're going to pop the lid on now. We're going to get this on a really super low heat. And we're going to go for about 40 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And I presume that in that 40 minutes will give you enough time to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell button. See you in 40 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Super low now. Okay, let's jump in and take a look, shall we? That's been going for 40 minutes. And that's amazing. I'm really happy with that. Okay, we're going to do one more little trick. Here I've got some charcoal, just a piece of charcoal, which I'm just grabbing, which I'm going to put in there in a little metal dish. I'm going to drop a little bit of cinnamon on that and a few cloves. And then to that I'm just going to drop on some ghee, and that will smoke, as you can see, and give it some flavor. So off goes the heat, on goes the lid, 2 minutes. Okay, let's take the lid off and check the smoke. Let's give it a lovely smoky flavor. It really has. Let me get that out and put it to one side. What you need to do is check that for salt. Here I've got some cilantro or coriander chopped, just a little bit. One more mix. Let's get that on a plate. Well done everyone. And there it is. Takes a little while, that one, but it really is delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.